F20. Now you've got a F20 error. So let's see how to fix this. So this washing sound is still coming. So the first step is, if you try to open the thing, it won't open. So something stuck there. So best thing is go here and switch off the switched off now. Still is there. Now the sound is gone. I think it should be, we should be able to open the thing, but it's not opening. So we put it in 0. The next step is step number 2, switch it on. Now once it's on, let's say it's opening or not. No, it's not opening. So we have to go to our laundry. That's not on. So we put it into one of the modes. So for example, outwear. Now the green start laundry is showing up now. So we should be able to, it should allow you to open it now. Yes, it allowed it. So now here, just I think it's more than heavy, what we should be worried. So let's remove some cloths and restart it. Remove it and just give it a manual spin in your hand. It's a lot. I gave it a manual spin now. So basically I can close the door now. Let's give it a start. It should be fine now. It locked. Now started spinning again. Now it's spinning fine. So this guy is locked. This guy is locked. Can't open anymore, and it's spinning fine. So the error code is gone. So it's fixed. Okay. So step 1, switch off. Step 2, switch on after a couple of seconds or maybe 5 to 10 seconds. Then step 3, put it into one of the modes, for example outerwear. Then step 4 is open the gate. You'll hear a click sound, then open the door, then take some laundries out, then give it a manual spin. So let's make it step 5. Step 5, give it a manual spin. Step 6, close the door. Step 7, switch it on and give it a couple of minutes. It will put some water and start spinning back to how it was going on. That's it. Okay, I think it's fixed. That's it pretty much. If there are any other code or any other error codes comes up, I'll record another video and upload. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video.